BS Mall sent us this travel makeup brush set for our review, and it has the cute little LED mirror. But my favorite thing is I love that on the back here, they actually tell you all the different brushes, and they kind of give you some ideas of what these brushes are for, because if you were like me, you probably don't know all of the different brushes. I know a couple of them, but you know, this is a 14 piece. Hopefully I'm opening it the right way. I believe this just... Oh, there we go. I was pushing too hard. Look at that. This is so cool. So, of course, there is a film here on the mirror. That's why it kind of looks foggy. There we go. Let's take that off. Oh, you know what? That is so satisfying. I absolutely love that. And let's just go like this. Ooh, so it does clearly come with the charging cable to charge that. And let's just see, is it just the one setting? Yep. And I love that. It's on and off. And, of course, then you have all of the beautiful brushes. And this is, as they say, this is the perfect travel set because everything is so small. This is going to fit, you know, in your carry-on, of course, in your makeup bag, whatever it may be. And let's just go ahead and feel, you know what? Look at that quality. These feel absolutely fantastic. They're not like too stiff. They're really soft. Oh, these are nice. And literally 14 pieces. You have all of the pieces that you could possibly need. Again, I don't know what all of them are for, but if you need it, it is there, I am sure.